Hi, I'm Caroline from Spectrum. In this video, we'll be unboxing and using the Spectrum Aurora Gold Luxe Firefly. Let's see what's inside. We have the Firefly itself, a USB charging cable, and an instruction manual. The Gold Luxe Firefly comes in two colours, white and gold. It also has an internal battery which can be charged using a USB cable that connects straight onto the Firefly, which then connects to a USB source such as a laptop, a portable charger, or an external USB adapter. The Firefly has a clip which allows you to easily mount it to your smartphone, laptop, or tablet. There's a power button which toggles through 9 different settings, which includes 3 different colours and 3 different light intensities.